I'm Matt Chen, an international tax partner with PwC's Washington National Tax Services, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in Brief. On January 10th, Treasury and the IRS issued final and proposed regulations on the character and source of income from digital content and cloud transactions, commonly referred to as -18 and -19 regulations. They're fundamental because the character and source of income affect how various substantive rules work, including withholding tax, foreign tax credits, SubPAR-F, and ECI rules. In this context, digital content generally means computer programs and any other content in digital format, including books, movies, and music that's protected by copyright law. And a cloud transaction is a transaction through which a person obtains on-demand network access to computer hardware, digital content, and other similar resources, including software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. The new guidance affects not only companies in the software and cloud space, but also can apply to companies in virtually all industries given the prevalence of digital and cloud. The new guidance does three things. They update the existing -18 regulations issued all the way back in 1998 to cover all digital content, not just computer programs. They finalized the 2019 proposed rules to characterize income from cloud transactions. And they also propose brand new rules to source income from the cloud. Finally, the IRS issued Notice 2025-6 requesting comments on aspects of the new guidance. Key highlights of the final -18 and -19 regulations include: one, they clarify that the place of production determines the source of income from selling copyrighted articles that are produced by the taxpayer under Section A63B. They used the billing address of the purchaser instead of the existing title passage rule to source income from selling electronically downloaded copyrighted articles that are not subject to A63B. And they characterize cloud transactions solely as services transactions by eliminating the multi-factor service versus lease test under the proposed regs. Next up are key highlights of the proposed cloud income sourcing regs. They source income from cloud transactions using a taxpayer-by-taxpayer approach using a three-factor mechanical formula. In general, the proposed rules look to the location of the taxpayer's own employees who research and develop the relevant cloud transactions, and other employees who directly contribute to the transaction, for example, engineering and technical personnel. And three, the proposed rules look to the taxpayer's owned or leased tangible property that are directly used to provide the cloud transaction. Taxpayers that have computer software, digital content, and cloud transactions should consider the impact of this new guidance. For example, consider the impact of the billing address rule and Section A63B on cross-border copyrighted article sales, and the impact of cloud income sourcing rules given its focus on certain employee functions. Some taxpayers may also wish to submit comments on the proposed rules dealing with the source of cloud transactions. For more, please see the attached newsletter. Thank you for watching PwC's Tax Insights in Brief.